Welcome back, YouTube fam. Today, we have a truly enchanting experience in store for you as we dive into the mesmerizing world of movie Elemental. I'm your host, and in this review, we'll explore the captivating journey this film takes us on, immersing ourselves in the realm of nature. Oh, sit back, relax, and get ready to be amazed. Captivating nature shots. Ladies and gentlemen, Elemental is a cinematic masterpiece that will transport you to a realm where the forces of nature come alive. Directed by visionary filmmaker John Harper, this film offers an extraordinary adventure that transcends ordinary perception. From its compelling story to its thought-provoking themes, Elemental captivates viewers and leaves a lasting impact. Scene showcasing stunning visuals, characters, and intriguing plot. Our journey begins with Ethan, a young explorer drawn to the wonders of the natural world through breathtaking cinematography and immersive storytelling. We are taken on an extraordinary adventure that intertwines the elements of earth, air, water, and fire. Records and hidden truths await Ethan at every twist and turn, keeping us engaged and eager to uncover more. Ethan's exploration, encounters with guardians and mythical creatures. What makes Elemental truly remarkable is its diverse cast of characters. Ethan, our curious and relatable protagonist, guides us through the film, while supporting characters bring depth and authenticity to the story. From the wise guardian of the earth element to the fiery representative of fire, each character has their own motivations and conflicts, making them incredibly relatable and engaging. Highlighting the diverse cast of characters and air interactions. At its core, Elemental explores humanity's relationship with nature and the consequences of our actions. It delves into themes of interconnectedness, balance, and the importance of preserving our planet's delicate equilibrium. The film encourages viewers to reflect on their own connection to the natural world and the impact they have on it, emphasizing the thought-provoking themes and environmental messages. Elemental not only entertains but also imparts valuable lessons that resonate beyond the screen. It reminds us of the power and beauty of nature, urging us to respect and protect the environment. As a call to action, the film motivates viewers to make conscious choices and contribute to the preservation of our planet for future generations. Showcasing powerful environmental messages. Prepare to be visually stunned. Elemental showcases impressive special effects and breathtaking cinematography. The seamless integration of CGI and practical effects brings the elemental powers to life, immersing us in a world where fire dances, water cascades, and earth trembles. The film's visuals elevate the storytelling, creating a truly magical experience. Highlighting the stunning visual effects and cinematography, Pixar's Elemental introduces a fascinating world where the four natural elements come alive as our residents in a bustling city. By exploring the elements of fire, water, land, and air, the film weaves a story that transcends boundaries and highlights the connections we share as human beings. Showcasing the vibrant and bustling Elemental city. Drawing from the director's own experiences, Elemental touches upon the theme of cultural diversity and the challenges faced by immigrants. Intertwining personal narratives within a fantastical setting, the film offers a relatable and heartfelt perspective on the journey of self-discovery and acceptance. Displaying emotional moments and personal narratives, Pixar has a remarkable track record of delivering exceptional storytelling that evokes deep emotions. Elemental is expected to continue this legacy, capturing the essence of human emotions in a visually stunning and emotionally resonant manner. Get ready for a roller coaster of emotions as you embark on this cinematic journey. Showcasing emotional moments and impactful scenes. While Elemental touches upon profound themes, it also guarantees moments of laughter and joy. Pixar films are known for their clever humor and harming characters, providing a perfect balance to the emotional weight of the story. Get ready to be delighted by clever jokes and charismatic characters that will bring smiles to your face. Showcasing funny and charming moments. And speaking of visuals, Pixar's breathtaking animation truly shines in Elemental. The film's vibrant visuals and meticulous attention to detail create a stunning world where fire crackles, water shimmers, land flourishes, and air breezes. Get ready to be inspired by the sheer beauty and artistry displayed on the screen. Displaying visually stunning scenes and animation. Elemental is not just a movie, It's a celebration of multiculturalism reflecting the rich tapestry of cultures found within the multicultural city of New York. The film emphasizes the value of different perspectives and the beauty of a harmonious coexistence. Showcasing diverse cultural elements. Music is an integral part of Pixar films, and Elemental is no exception, with a blend of original compositions and memorable songs. The film's soundtrack will heighten the emotional impact and immerse us further into the narrative. Get ready for a truly impactful audio experience showcasing the film's impactful soundtrack. In conclusion, Elemental is a cinematic masterpiece that goes beyond conventional boundaries. Its intriguing developed plot, and relatable characters draw viewers into a world of wonder and exploration by intertwining the elements with powerful themes and lessons. The film inspires a deeper appreciation for nature's beauty and the need to protect it. Elemental is a must-watch for adventure enthusiasts and those seeking a thought-provoking cinematic experience. Remember, as you watch Elemental, allow yourself to be transported to a realm where nature's forces intertwine, and let the magic of the elements leave an indelible mark on your soul. That's it for today's YouTube fam. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts on Elemental in the comments below. Stay tuned for more captivating reviews and enchanting content. Until next time, keep exploring the world around you, take care, and remember to always embrace the magic of nature.